Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bharat Pokhrel. Welcome back to the channel. As we all have heard of Sadhguru's latest medical emergency, he has already underwent life-saving procedure at Apollo Hospital and he's out of danger as of now and he's recovering. We wish him speedy recovery. All the prayers for him. So as a doctor, I'd like to discuss some important aspects related to this medical condition. Let's look at the official statement posted by the Sadhguru's team. Here, I would like to highlight some important risk factors that could have led to this condition. So it says doctors discovered that for the last 4 weeks, Sadhguru had been ignoring a severe headache and giving himself relentlessly to his grueling schedule. So if you are following Sadhguru for some time, you already know how sarcastic he is, how hectic the schedule he follows, and diet and lifestyle he pursues is extraordinary. Despite of that, one of the red flags here leading to this condition is, despite having severe headache, he ignored the symptoms. He also attended Mahasivaratri program, which he conduct every year in Isha Center. So on 15th March, an MRI showed massive bleeding in the brain. However, he refused to cancel his out commitments and underwent the meeting with the help of painkillers. So here another risk factor is refusing to undergo treatment and attend the high risk stressful situation. So on 17th he was rushed to hospital. The life threatening swelling in the brain was noticed and emergency procedure was done. Okay, having said that, these are the four important risk factors that could have led to this condition. So what he had was subdural hematoma. So this means that between the brain parenchyma and the bone that protects our brain, there is accumulation of blood. So the first question is how and why this happened to Sadhguru. Because the most common cause is rupture of bridging veins. It can also be due to traumatic or high energy impacts. These are the causes of subdural hematoma. The clear reasons are not published yet, but there might be some factors leading to this condition, right? So here I would like to discuss some important aspect, because many people are arguing that Sadhguru has always stated that don't hand over your health to a doctor. Your health is your business. Okay, so many people are taking this and using against him. So I would like to clarify, he was never against the modern medicine. He always appreciated the modern advancement of the medicine. Along with that he always vouched for yogic lifestyle, disciplined lifestyle, the importance of yoga in our what we call health, physical health, mental health. So as we all have already concluded that medical emergency can happen to anybody, be it Sadhguru, be it a normal individual residing in slums of Mumbai or streets of Kathmandu. That doesn't really matter. So yogic lifestyle and yoga is a way of lifestyle that will enhance our health. But lo and behold, if something happens to you, when the emergency arises, when lifestyle only cannot help you with the disease, it's time to seek help with the modern medicine. So if you use modern medicine and yoga, it will be beneficial for you. So we should be smart enough to know which one to use and when to use. I hope that clarifies the burning question everybody is having. See you in the next one.